So you got that new scarf but don't know what knot to wear? Well, let me tell you, today I'm going to show you how to tie the Parisian scarf knot. Just look at this knot right here. Great neck coverage for when you go outside in the winter time. Let me take it down. We'll get started right here. I'll show you how to tie it. So this knot is pretty good if you like to wear a dress shirt and tie, but the downside is, and you just saw, the knot likes to take up a lot of the front coverage here. So if you like to show off your knot, that's the only downside, is that you're not going to be able to. But then again, the knot itself is pretty fancy, and I like wearing it when I wear dress shirt and tie. Anyways, I have my scarf here. I just stretched out lengthwise. What I want to do is I just want to fold this in half. I'm just going to make it a little shorter, just like that. From here, I'm just going to drape it on over top of me. Now, obviously, I have the two end pieces, and on the other end, I could technically put my hand through here, and it's just going to make a loop right like this. What I want to do now is just take the two ends. I'm going to just open up this end here and just put it and feed it through like that. And then sort of like a tie knot itself, you sort of have to pull down on the one end itself, but we get the final product right there. Look at that, Parisian scarf knot. Again, pretty nice with the neck coverage, looks good itself. Again, good knot to wear, dress shirt and tie. The only downside is it's hidden. Then again, you have your coat on over top. It still looks pretty good. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe for more scarf knots. I'll show you how to tie different scarf knots. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.